The Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus were unveiled at Mobile World Congress 2018 and slated to go on sale worldwide on March 16th. However, I managed to pre-order and receive my S9 Plus on March the 10th and have been using it for a little over a week. So here's an unboxing and quick review of my experience so far. As we open up the box, we reveal a smaller box that we will get to in a minute. Underneath lies the phone itself, followed by a brochure, the wall fast charger, USB-C to USB-A adapter, a USB-C cable, and a pair of earphones by AKG. Back to the box, it contains the quick start guide and a clear case, which was a nice surprise. As the first smartphones sporting the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845, the Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus have been touted by some as the first true flagship smartphones of 2018. North America and China get the Snapdragon while the rest of the world gets the Samsung Exynos 9810 octa-core processor. The phone comes with 6GB of RAM, up to 256GB of expandable onboard storage, 802.11ac Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, a 3500 mAh battery, and IP68 dust and water resistance. It sports a 6.2-inch QHD Super AMOLED display protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5 and ships with Android 8.0 Oreo out of the box. It also has wireless fast charging, but you will need a wireless fast charging pad to get fast charging speeds. Moving on to the camera, Samsung raised the bar in smartphone optics yet again with not only a dual aperture main sensor but also the widest aperture on a mainstream smartphone at f1.5. This means more light hitting the sensor in low light shots, which should improve image quality. Now, I'm not going to compare the S9 Plus's camera to the latest competitors from LG, Sony, or Apple. Those reviews are everywhere. Instead, I'll be comparing images with the Samsung Galaxy S7, which was released 2 years ago, to see how far we've come. In this low light shot, we can see that in auto mode, the details on the bright projection screens are retained while maintaining the same exposure as the S7 in the foreground. However, in low light scenarios, the camera tends to produce a purple glow at the corners when compared to the older S7. Moving to a brighter scene, we have a shot of the ocean and sunset. This is particularly challenging as the camera has to expose for both the sun and the foreground. We can see that in the S7's image, some of the detail was washed out, whereas the S9 was able to capture a higher dynamic range, probably due to better HDR algorithms where multiple shots are composited into one image. However, in doing so, it does make the image look a little, shall we say, fake. But ultimately, it's down to personal preference, so you be the judge. Other unique qualities of the camera include the 960 frame per second 720p video and AR emoji. So once again, this was a very quick review and unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. It looks great, feels great, and works great so far. And barring some huge issue that crops up down the line, I don't think anyone will go wrong with this device. However, as with all gadget purchases, I strongly recommend trying it for yourself to see if you can accept what this device offers. Thank you for watching this Gadget Gaming Fix review, and I'll see you in the next video.